Hey guys, this is ICT Dinesh. Welcome to my channel. If you're planning to buy account to trade forex or crypto or commodities, I will recommend you Bright Funder because they're running 20% off on all challenges. And also you will get 50% profit share from the challenge phases. The code is October 20, which is a OCT 20. So it's a time limited. It will expire on October 30. And also this firm have 4.7 rating in a trust pilot, which is good. And also the most important thing is the payout processing time. It's only 4 hour average, and you can request the payouts 7 days once. To buy accounts, check my description to get link. So let's get into the charts. If you look weekly candle, it's a classic bullish candle because the Monday and Tuesday is in consolidation, and Wednesday made the low of the week, and Thursday is continue the trend, and Friday is in the retracement phase because the Wednesday and Thursday is in expansion, and also it took the external liquidity, this is a buy sell liquidity. After taking this, the markets need a liquidity, so it's creating a liquidity, which means the retracement phase. The Friday did that. It's retraced into the daily FEG. Let's break down the entries in every daily candle, and I will explain how to profile the daily for that day and how I prepared for that NY session and what are the entries I took. We'll explain in detail. So let's get into this lower time frames. This Monday price action before 9:30. What I look here is, if you look daily candle, it seems like a expansion candle. So in the expansion candles, most of the time you will get the continuation setups. Those continuation setups also will be in the 50% of the daily candle. But here in the 50%, there is no PDA or anything here in 1 hour. So what I plan here is the price is near to this liquidity, which means this Wednesday high, 24th high. So the price is near to that buy sell liquidity, and also it gets supports from that H1 FEG. So what I plan here is, right now the price is in bullish because there is no order flow shift for bearish setup. It's supporting the bullish PDAs. So what I plan here is the only liquidity is 7 a.m. low. If the market sweep that low, I will enter and target this highs. So that's the plan for that NYAM. So like that, the price also done the job and I get entry on this low. So here you can see that in 1 hour, the price opened here. After the opening, the price just drops into the liquidity and it gets support from that H1 FEG, and the highs which I marked before the NYAM are not yet took. So I targeted that highs. Here you will get the confirmation here, M1 IFEG. I entered here and put my stop loss in this low and targeted this size. See, so this how the Monday ends. It's look easy, right? If you are good at profiling. So this is the price action of Tuesday. If you look 4 hour, we have 4 hour FEG and the price tapped into the FEG before the NY session. To confirm this low, I dropped into 1 hour. So I waited for the order flow shift in 1 hour. If the price close above this candle means I will look buy setup. So that's the plan for the day. Here you can see that the 8 a.m. doesn't or confirm the order flow shift. So I didn't trade at that 9 a.m. PO3. So I waited for 10 a.m. candle. See, the 9 a.m. again sweep the low. So here we get SMT to confirm this low. After the SMT, I entered in a 5-minute time frame. Here I entered, but I made mistake here. What is it? I didn't put stop loss in this low. If I put stop loss in this low means my stop loss will be protected. But I put stop loss here. Why? Because I plan it will act as a breaker, this candle. So I doesn't want the price to come low. So I put the stop loss here and I targeted 2 hour. The price took my stop loss and then it reversed. See, it takes too long, but yeah, in this candle itself, I get a stop out. But if I put stop loss in this low means that trade will be in it will be a TP. I accept the loss and I move on to the next day because here I manage the risk for that day. Because the risk management is more important. So guys must follow the risk management. Okay. Okay. This is the price action of Wednesday. And Wednesday, what I plan here is it swept the Monday and Tuesday low. So I confirm Wednesday is the low of the week. Why? Because after sweeping the Monday and Tuesday low, it's give the confirmation in 1 hour, which means the order flow shift. Here we get the IFEG. And also how I plan for the 9 a.m. is, if the 9 a.m. Gets support from this FEG means I will get confirmation and target these highs. So that's the plan for 9 a.m. And also I plan one more thing. If the 4 hour, so because in 4 hour we have the FEG, you can see here, if the price close above this FEG means we'll get the confirmation, which is IFEG. So the 10 a.m. will get support from this FEG, which is open low, high close. So I have planned for 9 a.m. PO3 and the 10 a.m. PO3. So you can see that 9 a.m. close, the price doesn't tap into the FEG, but it made a 4-hour IFEG. So so the plan for 10 a.m. Q3 is work. So I waited for the 10 a.m. and traded the 10 a.m. open, low, I close. So now this IFEG is my PD array, which means the key level, and this highs are my targets, which means reward, right? Here I waited for that price to form IFEG, and also I waited for that price to close above these candles, which will form OB. So I put my stop loss here and I targeted to war. So it's finally hits my TP. So this how the Wednesday ends. If you look Thursday, the price is already in expansion because the Wednesday is closed as the expansion candle, which means a distribution candle. And also the Thursday candle, the opening itself, the price just expanded. What I plan for NY session is the price is at premium. Okay, most likely retrace into the discount FEG or any PDRAs in the discount. Also look daily candle. The day low is not at set. So I waited for the order flow shift here because in 8 a.m. there is no order flow shift. So I waited for the 9 a.m. candle. So here the price confirmed the order flow shift. And if you look here, the price is nearer to the daily low. So that was my dual for that session. So the 9 a.m. closed like a big bearish expansion candle. So in 10 a.m. I didn't get any entry. The 10 a.m. is opening itself just drops. See, here I didn't get any entry because here I waited for that 10 a.m. will set the high in this OB. It will get support from that OB. Then I enter in this candle. So that's the plan, but I didn't get any entry for that day. So I closed the day. So this is how the Thursday ends. Okay, for Friday, what I plan is TGIF, which means thank God it's Friday. It's most likely it's closed like a retracement candle because the if you look, the weekly candle is distributed, right? It's look like a classic bullish candle. So what I expected is the Friday will be a TGF. This is the current day low, and this low is a Thursday low. Why I said Thursday low is my dual is if you look at daily candle, here we have day FEG, daily FEG. So I targeted this low as my dual. So for entry, we need a key level, right? So what I plan here is I look sales in this H1 FEG, which means an 8 a.m. high. So I plan 9 a.m. PO3 will be open high low close. The targets will be this first, the current day low and the Thursday low. The price done the job what I expected. But unfortunately, the price took my stop loss, then hit my all TPs. So I'll show you how I took that entry. Okay, this is the 9 a.m. candle. If you look here, the price from the opening itself, the price went up. So it's forming open high, low, close, right? So we need a confirmation. So for that, I waited for that price to close below this candle to confirm it's at a CSG or breaker, anything. Okay. But the price took more time to confirm. So in this candle, I get the confirmation. And I also waited for that one more confirmation is FEG. So here we'll get FEG and I put my entry here and put my stop loss in this high and I targeted only 2 hour. And the rest you will see. See exactly, it took my stop loss, then hit my TP. So it's an unexpected entry, right? We get confirmation here and also FEG formed and SMT is there. Everything is perfect. But here I follow my plan and I follow my risk. Everything perfect. And I expected the loss. And finally, the price took all my dual. See, It's nice, right? So this how you have to profile for the day and profile for the session. I think this video will help a lot of you guys. And 60% of the viewers are not subscribed yet. Make sure you subscribe my channel so I can post more contents in YouTube. So it will give boost to me so I can add more valuable contents for the community. And also, guys, I also affiliate with Fires and Blue Garden Futures. You can use my codes. It's all in my description. Check the description to get codes and links. Hope everyone is doing great. Always follow the risk management. The coming weeks will be great for us. That's it, guys. We'll see you next week. Thank you.